Hello everyone. Very good evening to all of you. Welcome you all in the session of Oliveboard. Kindly confirm my audibility and visibility. Is everything fine? Perfect? Please confirm guys. I guess everything is fine. So yes, today what we have to start a new unit, that is unit number 16. We have already completed 15 unit yesterday. Today we have to complete our 16 unit and the name of the unit is HRM and IT, Information Technology. So let's start the session. What is the role of IT in HRM? See, in this particular session, okay, it basically tells that with the use of proper IT, how you can make HRM function more fruitful, how people can use their HRM function in a better way so that whatever knowledge, whatever information they are getting, they will get in a proper manner. Our customers, our clients should also feel that yes, whatever information we are providing to them with the help of human resource, every information is a faithful information, proper information, and a correct information. So it basically tells the use of IT, how we can make our HRM function more fruitful. Now, as such, its first responsibility would be to adopt IT orientation because today's scenario is what a full of technology. Everywhere, if you will see that technology is being used in every sector, in each and every sector it is being used. So now we have to upgrade ourselves also, our people who are working in the environment, in our organizational environment, organizational culture, we need to grade up that. So for that, what we have to adopt IT orientation within our all departments. In our organization we have several departments: finance, then operational department, marketing department, product department. So in every department, the use of IT is very important. It is a tremendous scope to use IT in whole range of HRM functions, whether it function starts from recruitment, training, placement, performance appraisal, okay, then reward system, then selection. So you are using any function of the management. So in every function, the IT is very important. You have to use information technology in each and every function. A proper data is being created, a database is being made for such functions. What are the basic information about an employee is used by number of functionaries. So all information about the employees, every data related to the employees we have to keep in our database. So if required, we can calculate, we can use those data for our internal functioning. For instance, if the organization has a geographical spread, the information about an employee is floated at field units. So if our organization is being located, okay, at a geographical area, nearby areas, so definitely we need every kind of information of an employee. So every information is should be being floated among all the sectors of the economy. The database related to an employee is becoming broad based on various dimensions are getting added. Traditional data regarding salary, allowances, incrementally. If human resource are working in your organization, you need to calculate their salary, you need to calculate how much they are being present in the organization, their allowances, their all kind of data. So for everything we need IT, we need proper database where we can store the all the informations of our HR, and one and whosoever wants the information, they can easily get the information from there. So that is why the IT, the technology is very important, and it has to be done in every sector of the economy, in every organization where we are catering the needs of our HR. So human HR information system, that is HRIS. Okay, the short form is HRIS. See, information system is what? It is a database. All information of the clients, all information of their human resource should be available. That is HRIS. Means information means what? What of every human element which is working in your organization. Which is working in the organization. database where all information of human resources should be stored so that if anyone wants to get that information that they can easily disseminate the information to the help of others as well. It is a systematic way of what the storing data and information for each and every individual employee for planning, for decision, for submitting of returns, for any external agencies. Like external agencies, what? Suppose you have a business, so every year, okay, there is being audit. Okay, audit happens. So when CA comes, so what this CA demands? First of all, the CA will tell you that show me all of your data of your company. So in this particular data, the data of human resource will also be available. The data of products will also be available. The data of services will also be available. The data of all the employees, external employees, internal employees, it should also be available. So for external agencies also, it is very easy for them to get to gather all the informations at a one place. So it is an integrated system used to gather, store, and analyze information regarding what organization human resource. We are talking about human resource management, so we will talk in every chapter. There will be human resource. Now, human resource management system. What is this human resource? Again, it is a combination of systems and processes that connect to what human resource management. So it is a type of software, okay, how you are connecting, how you are managing your employees through your software. This is what human resource management system is. Okay, how we are connecting our employees through different software. A kind of software where all the team works, the front end team works, a back end team works. Okay, we need to get information for everything. So for that, we need both back end and front end team help. So it is what it is a system, it is a software which contains which all the information related to the clients and human resource. So for payroll management, for leave approval, for succession planning, for everything we need what? The information of the HR. So what are the common functions of human resource management system? First, managing payroll of what? Human resource. So for this, we need a good software, we need a good IT when we are doing recruitment and onboarding. So for recruitment also, if you will see that on they will on their portal on different portal they will apply their vacancies. Okay, they will highlight their vacancies and people will see and they will apply for that. So for this also we need IT, we need technology for onboarding technology. So everything, if you will see, our technology is being used, a proper management system is being used for gathering, for storing, for accessing employee information, keeping, maintaining the records of your employees, tracking that how much they have been absent, then the performance evaluation, or you can say the performance appraisal. Performance appraisal. Then learning management, see how learning management, because we learn from various different things. We learn from our experiences, we learn from our elders, we learn from our hard work. So from a different field we learn everything. So it is also a process of gathering information. If you learn from different field, different sectors, you get different ideas from various places. So those places will definitely, they will have a kind of technology. If you will suppose, if you will write anything on chat gpt, that chat gpt will give you the numerous result related to that fact. If you are reading, if you are making your concept clear, it means what? You are taking the help of chat gpt, it means you are taking the help of technology. So learning management, self service, and for the benefit of administration also. Now what is EHRM? Okay, EHRM is what? With the use of technology, how you can, how much you can make your employees happy, how much you can make your employees to perform in a better way. Okay, that is the use of technology to manage everything which is happening in the organization. It is the use of technology to manage what? HR function. It is the use of technology to manage HR functions. Okay, so in such case, what it involves using computers, hardware, all the software, the hardware, you can say the mouse, keyboard, software, different apps, networking resources to support what HR activities. And what these HR activities include, they will include like for training and development, okay, for you can say for maintaining the records of the employees, tracking their absenteeism, calculating their salaries, calculating their allowances, tracking attendance, time and attendance. All these things will be used with the help of what? Knowledge. Now, read all this. EHRM can be defined was as planning, implementation, and application of all IT for both for networking purpose also and for supporting your individual, your employees also. When HR uses the internet or related technologies to support their activities, then it becomes an EHRM. So the basic function of HR is what? To use the technology, to use the internet for performing different functions of the organization. And when they use the technology for performing these functions, then it becomes what? EHRM. That is electronic HRM. So full form of EHRM is what? Electronic human resource management. As per the Stromer, very important, EHRM, what it is the planning, implementation of any activity, and application of IT for both networking and supporting at least two individual or collective actors in their shared performing of HR activities. So this is said by the Stromware that HRM, what it is the planning of the activities, it is implementing the activities using what? By using your technology for both for network purpose also and for supporting your members who are working in the organization. So with these the operations typically through intranet or other web technology channel. What is intranet? Intranet means what? Suppose internet, there are two words. First is internet means everyone can use this internet, and intranet means it is a personal network. Like in your company, in your bank only network is being used. That is intranet. No outsider can come and use your network. They are not given the access of using that network. So it is what? It is intranet when when your company gives only their members the use of network. That is intranet. There are different types of EHRM, electronic EHRM, operational, relational, and transformation. Let's read one by one. Operational means what? What is operational? It relates with the managing all the activities of HR, managing like the payroll, the salary, the personal data. Okay, the you can say the this one allowances. So all this will come under operational data, the day-to-day operation of a business. So they will going to manage that element. Now, relational means what? Something which is being related to your business. And what are the things that are related? Like training. This is your work. This is the work of the HR to provide training to their employees who are not very much expertise in their work, in the recruitment process, in the selection process. So this is what related to the work and concerned employees, so that a good relation should be made the virtual relationship should be made among them, so that everybody come and they get a good information which they actually want. So in training also, EHRM is very important, that is electronic HRM. If you are providing the training, you are using different methods of training, like on the job training, off the job training, and in these in the on the job training and off the of training, okay, you are being using different methods and such. So definitely there is use of what? Technology is being used, proper data should be there. So we have to use technology everywhere, that is in training purpose. If you are recruiting your candidates, then also you need a proper information of e-learning, that is EHRM, in selecting. Everywhere it is important. And transformational EHRM means transforming means it means transforming from one category to another category. So it is about strategic HR exercises such as knowledge management. Now, what is this knowledge management? Knowledge management means if any employee is working in your organization, that employee needs a lot of knowledge. So you can get knowledge from the experience also. You can get knowledge from the social community also. You can get knowledge from your peer members also. You can get knowledge from technology also, from internet, from online digital platform. So knowledge management means what? Everywhere there is knowledge and you are getting the knowledge. Now it's your duty to capture which knowledge is best for you. The only useful knowledge you will going to access that. You will going to keep only useful knowledge. For the knowledge management, there is what? A transform. If you have gained any new knowledge, if you have gained any new experience, then ultimately there will be a transform in your work as well. And that transform will highlight that how much capable you are of doing any particular task. So in this category also, what? The digitization, the technology plays a very important role. It is concerned with the HR strategies and its activities such as knowledge management, strategic orientation. EHRM activities, it include e-selection. Okay, it is helpful in e-selection also. Performance management, we have seen performance management, how performance appraisal is being done for any candidate. Various techniques, e-learning platforms, then e-compensation means compensation means what? What services you are giving to the company, against of those services, in return of those services, what money you are getting, that is compensation. E-recruitment. So in all these phases, there is the requirement of what? EHRM. EHRM activities includes all these phenomena. Now, what is knowledge management? So, knowledge management, it will give you a lot of information. It will help you in practicing more and more, brushing up your more and more concept. Okay, bringing more and more ideas to the organization, bringing ideas to the organization, doing brainstorming. So, all this will include where under knowledge management, how to use the technology in a proper in a proper manner, the people of your organization, how much their knowledge is being enhanced, okay, for doing any particular task, the improvements which you can make by enhancing your knowledge day by day. So all these things will include under knowledge management. That is the manage management of insights of knowledge. Knowledge management is what? It is the process of capturing the tacit knowledge. Can anybody tell me what is tacit knowledge? Can anybody tell me tacit knowledge? What is tacit? It is a type of knowledge, a knowledge which is gained through the experiences. And these experience may be in two ways. Either you are getting bad experiences, still you are gaining a knowledge. If you are having the good experiences, then also you are gaining a lot of knowledge. So it comes from what? It comes from the experience which you gather, which you gain through the life process. It is the process of capturing tacit knowledge of people in a systematic manner for future use. And suppose in the organization, okay, you are working, your senior person is also working who is 10 years senior to you. Now, this senior person will have more experience or you will have more experience. Tell me. Definitely, this person will have more experience. Why? Because this person is elder to you, so he has seen the world more. He has seen the things more. So definitely, this person has the more experience. And with his experience, he or she, what he or she will do, he or she will share his experience to others. So in such manner, knowledge is being shared with others also. The new knowledge will come, new skills will come. So these are required to manage new challenges, which is coming day to day, which you have to face everywhere. Assessment should cover five core knowledge management components, and these assessment are people, processes, technology, structure, and culture. Very important. Now let's do one by one. So people, okay. To people, the program should increase the ability of individuals. If there is good knowledge in available in the organization, definitely the ability of the people will increase. They will become more capable to perform their tasks. Processes. So process the steps everywhere there is knowledge. If the knowledge is being provided to do any kind of work, any kind of performance where the process is being required, then that can be done in a very smooth manner. Why? Because the proper knowledge is being provided to particular to that person. The processes established should include best practices and governance that how to carry on those activities. Technology. Again, technology, if the proper knowledge is being given of the technology, then like new machine came to your organization. This person was using this particular machine. This machine was old. So in replacement of this old machine, a new machine came. Now this new machine was full of technology. So if you are unaware of the knowledge, if you are unaware of the technology knowledge, then how you would going to use such machines? No, you cannot figure it out properly. So technology chosen should enhance how you configure and use tools automation to enable knowledge management. Everything is being automated, so you should know each and everything. If you are working in any organization, so you should be technology friendly. You should know all the ins and outs of that technology. Now, organizational structure should transform to facilitate cross discipline. It should provide awareness to people, new ideas to people, expertise, and give the expertise with the help of IT, that is technology. Culture. Your organization should establish and cultivate a knowledge sharing, knowledge driven culture for long term success. Yes, if your organization culture is good, the people working in your organization, they are sharing the knowledges with each other. They are gaining knowledges from each other. So it is good for the organization if that organization is being knowledge driven culture, and that organization will gain a lot of success in the future. So for long term period, it is good that your culture is also having a good knowledge, a good technology perspective. So, yes, that was all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and you have enjoyed the session. Kindly like the video and share it with others as well. Tomorrow, I will be coming with a very new unit, and this was our last unit of module B. HRM. It was the last unit of HRM. From tomorrow onwards, we are starting a new unit, that is Unit C. Okay, Module C. We will start from tomorrow onwards. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, or else I will end this session. Hello, then let's meet tomorrow sharply at 9 p.m. for ABM and 8:30 p.m. for ABFM. Till then, take care, everyone. Goodbye. Keep studying. Keep watching. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. Okay. Good night, everyone.